What up, what up, what up? It's your favorite YouTuber's favorite YouTuber. That's right, y'all. It's your boy, the Options Boss, sliding up on y'all. I hope all is good. I hope you guys enjoyed yourselves and making some money. And I hope you guys are ready to study so we can be prepared to make some money in this game going forward. Now, with that being said, guys, I'm going to talk to you about exactly what the title says. I'm going to talk to you about how to find options to day trade. Now, you guys know, if you watch this channel, I'm the options boss. I day trade options. I'm in, I'm out. 99, 95% of the time, we'll say. So I want to pass that along to you guys. I want to show you a couple of setups, show you what I'm looking for so you can learn. So with that being said, veterans of the channel, go down below, like the video, drop a comment. Every time you do, your support helps my channel grow, and I appreciate that so much. Also, watch this video from beginning to end. When you watch from beginning to end, you're going to learn throughout the entire process, and the YouTube algorithm is going to love me, and for that, I'm going to love you. And if you're new to the channel, if you're interested in the stock market, if you're interested in trading options, I'm your boy. I'm the options boss. I'm going to give you the game from A to Z and let you know how the thing go. So what you need to do is you need to go down below, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and click all notifications. And when I drop these Get Money Jewels, YouTube is going to make sure you get it first things first, right off the press, so you can put these game plans and strategies right into play the very next day, as soon as the market opens. Now, guys, it was a good week this week, and big reason why it was a good week is because we know when to enter options trades. So I want to show you guys, I'm going to pull up a couple of charts today. I'm going to show you guys a couple of plays that we traded in my Discord, and we made big money off of these plays. And I want to show you guys what I was looking for when I entered these plays. And this way, you guys will have an idea of how to enter into trades. And how to enter into trades is a big key if you want to be successful trading options. So I definitely want to pass that game on to y'all. If you're familiar with this channel at all, this could possibly be the most one of the most important videos I ever can make for you guys, because if you have a great trade idea but you don't enter at the right time, that great idea is going to look like a horrible idea in retrospect. So entry is king. You guys always hear me say that entry is king, exit is king. And in this case, I'm going to break that down and show you why. The Discord, like I said, we had a strong week this week. By the way, speaking of the Discord, I'm going to drop the link to the free Discord down below in the comments. Definitely click the link. Definitely come check out the Discord. And of course, there's a couple paid sections in there. My options boss suite picks, my tier 3, and of course my options group chat. And if you're interested in any of those, you could definitely hit me up and we could chop it up to get you set up. But definitely come join the free Discord, because in the free Discord, every once in a while, I will come out there and say, yo guys, I like this play. Let's all jump into it and make some money. And so far, every play I've dropped as a free play in the Discord has made us money. So you definitely don't want to miss those money opportunities. And again, even with the free plays that make us money, I could show you what I saw on a chart and why I knew that it was a great play for us to jump into. So get your pen, get your paper ready. Make sure you got your thinking cap on. We're going to go into these charts, guys, and we're going to learn how to enter into an options trade that we want to day trade. So you guys ready? Let's work. All right, squad, so here we go. So the first play that I want to show you guys how we entered into the trade is going to be ticker symbol COST. That's right, guys. We are talking about Costco. Now, we entered in Costco in my Discord, and I called it a trigger play, which anybody that watches the channel enough know that the trigger plays convert at a high probability. Now, I'm going to show you this Costco play and why I knew it was a great setup. So here's Costco right here, right? This is, if I can get my mouse on the screen, this is the Friday candle right here. And that was the candle we traded and made money off of. Now, what I was looking at, this was Thursday's candle and this was Wednesday's candle. So right here, if you're just looking, you'll see, if I go down a bit, this orange line right here, this is the 20-day EMA. So Costco pretty much took this 20-day EMA, I want to say in middle of June. And since they took that 20-day EMA, it's been an area of support. It's been very strong. However, what we were missing was that push right above this line right here, which is around 484.16, right? So we took out that 484.16 area. I took notice. Now, what I wanted to see, this purple line right here, if you see where my mouse is, I'll move it so you can see it a little bit clearer. That line right there, that is the fifth, that's the 200-day EMA, excuse me. That purple line right there is the 200-day EMA. So I saw Wednesday, we went above that 200-day EMA, but we could not maintain it. You'll see the wick of this candle goes above right there to around that 497 area. The 200-day EMA is around this 493.50 area, right? So we couldn't maintain that, and we finished this day. If I look at that candle, we finished the day. Let me get over there. That's the wrong candle. There we go. We finished that day at 492.65. So we finished it just below the 200-day EMA. So I took note of that, and I said to myself, if we could get over that 200-day EMA, this thing could get bullish here. But I needed to get over the 200-day EMA, and I needed to get over the high of this candle to make sure that we don't reject. Now, the high of this candle was 497.02. So, me knowing that, I know anything for Costco over 497.02 is a bullish sign, right? So, I'm looking for that on Thursday. Thursday, we get this candle. This is an inside candle. This candle right here, the high was 495.53. So, and we closed at 494.95. So, while we did get above that 200-day, we didn't pass the high of that candle right there, and I wanted to wait for that. Then you fast forward into Friday, the money day. This candle right here, guys, I will move my mouse so you can see it. This was the money candle right here. This candle right here, not only did it take out the 100-day EMA as well, but this candle opened at 497.32. Now, guys, when you see that, and my Discord, if anybody from my Discord watches this video, they'll vouch for it. I called Costco very early in the morning. It was the first play I called, and it's probably within like 2 or 3 minutes of opening. And the reason why is because it opened at 497.32. So when I see that open there, what I know is we are opening higher than the candle that I was interested in at 497. We're over that 497.02 area. We're over the 200-day EMA. I know this is a bullish move. So we opened at that number, like I said, 497.32. This thing went up to 505.52. My Discord was able to take profit on a trigger play for a big win. Now, we went as low as 497, and we closed at 501.54, which is another good sign because we closed above 500 still. So that 500 being a psych number is not going to be a thing for Costco bullishly going into next week, right? Now, that being the case, we was able to take profit. We still have more positions, and it was all because I saw us break over that 497 area. And that's why I say you got to know when to enter. I saw myself enter at the right time. The Discord entered at the right time on a trigger play. We made a lot of money on this play, and this is what I want you guys to learn. Now, also, I'm going to show you guys another play, and I want you guys to see the setup, the theory behind the setup being sort of similar. And this ticker is BABA. Of course, guys, we are talking about BABA. Now, BABA, this one is short and sweet and to the point. So right here, you'll see this trend line right here, this purple trend, right? And you see it lifting up ever so slightly. So what we were looking for on BABA, guys, what we were looking for was anything over this trend line. We broke over that trend Wednesday, and what we were looking for was anything over it. So we had Thursday's candle, which this candle opened, if I could show you, this candle opened at 120.63, got as high as 125, got as low as 120.63, and closed at 122.39. So we knew that it was a bullish movement, and it held that psych area right above that purple trend. So come Friday, Friday, guys, you check it out, right? We opened up at 122. So I didn't hop in at the 122 area. But when it went over where we closed at from Friday, I took that as a bullish signal. I jumped into Baba. Baba got as high as 125.84. We was able to take profit on our first set of Baba calls towards the very top. And because we took profit towards the very top of that candle right there, we made a lot of money on that Baba move right there. It was a big move right there by Baba. We had several contracts. We made a lot of money right there. Baba did go down. It did pull back. It pulled back to 120.70 on the low, and it closed at 120.90. So it closed towards the bottom. However, closing towards that bottom is still above this purple line right here, that trend. What that means is that Baba has a chance to continue going forward into the next week. So we do have extra Baba positions just in case Baba wants to continue and test that 200-day, which is around that 125 area, again, come into the next week. So that's another scenario where we saw a good entry. We was looking for a breakout above a certain area. In Baba's case, it already had the breakout. We was just wanting to make sure that it maintained the momentum from the day before. And we saw that it maintained it at least through Friday because it got higher than where it closed that Thursday. So because it got higher than where it closed that Thursday, we was able to jump in and we was able to make some money. Now, this one was slightly different, but the same, because I always tell you guys, I want the high of the candle, which I didn't look for the high of Thursday's candle. I just looked to get above the close of Thursday's candle. And once I got that, that's where I jumped in at. Once I got above the close of Thursday's candle, as opposed to Costco, where I wanted the high of Wednesday's candle. And when I got the high of Wednesday's candle, I jumped in. So slightly different, but the thought process is still the same. And this is why I want you guys to learn and to watch these charts. Don't just be trading based off of what you see on social media. Don't just be trading based off of what people on YouTube, myself included, tell you. Watch the charts, please. Learn the charts, and this is how you're going to make yourself money. Guys, I got a whole YouTube channel, you could call it, or a whole YouTube series based off of charts. I want you to check out that series right here. Watch that and start learning and getting familiar with charts. Guys, you can always be a boss with the options boss. You already know I'm a holler when I holler.